Welcome to Carol's Recipe Adventures. Today I'm making a braised chicken with peppers and white wine. It's a juicy, saucy chicken dish with wine, bell peppers, tomatoes, and a tangy kick from pepperoncinis. Start by getting all the ingredients ready. I always like to get everything out before I start cooking. When your ingredients are prepped and ready to go, you're not scrambling to chop the vegetables or look for spices. Everything flows smoothly so you can focus on timing and technique. Start by slicing one large onion. Next, cut 2 red bell peppers, which you can substitute with yellow or orange peppers, and you're going to cut these into thin strips. Cut the top and bottom off. Cut on one side a slit from top to bottom. Remove the center seeds and white ribs by cutting from the inside. And finally, get 1/4 cup of pepperoncinis from the jar and give it a quick chop. With the chicken, make sure the chicken thickness is basically even for even cooking and pound it if needed. Season the chicken with salt and pepper. Heat the olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Then place the chicken in the skillet and sear for 4 to 5 minutes on each side until golden brown. And you're just building this beautiful sear, so don't worry about cooking it all the way through yet. Once both sides are golden, take it out and let it rest while you build the sauce. In the same skillet, add a little more olive oil if needed. Then saute the onions and bell peppers until they're soft and translucent. It's about 5 to 8 minutes. Then goes in the garlic. Give that just a minute because you don't want to burn it. Now it's time for a splash of dry white wine. This deglazes the pan and lifts all those delicious bits from the bottom of the pan. And let this simmer for a couple of minutes. Add a can of diced tomatoes with its juices, tomato paste. Now add the chicken broth, thyme, sweet smoked paprika, oregano, and cumin. Add in the pepperoncini to bring an amazing tangy heat that balances the dish, and then stir to combine. Place the chicken back into the pan. Cover it, turn the heat down, and let it simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes until the chicken is juicy and cooked through. Check the internal temperature of the chicken, and it should read about 165 degrees. And mine went a little above that, but that's okay. Serve it over rice, pasta, or mashed potatoes, or plate it by itself. You don't have to serve it on top of anything. It's really a personal preference. And there you have it, braised chicken with peppers and white wine. It's saucy, savory, and just the right amount of flavor. Until next time, happy cooking. For more flavorful recipes, explore the rest of my recipes at Carol's Recipe Adventures.